Okay, we're back over at the buddy's house. Gonna pick up the manifold. I just gotta find it here. Aha! He's busy with work. I'm the oddball one out that doesn't have a full-time job right now, so maybe we will meet him later. I'm sure we'll do more projects, but let's check this thing out, boys. Ooh, that looks good. Dang, dude. I'm impressed. I thought he'd have a really difficult time getting in there, but it looks like he got all the way around. There's a little spot that was probably tricky to get, but hey, this is gonna get us down the road, and it won't sound like crap anymore. So let's go home and throw this on the car and see if it sounds different. You guys ready? It's good. There they are. It looks good, guys. I didn't feel any air coming out on the cold start, so I think it's good. It's still loud, but let's take her for a spin. Okay, first drive with the header fixed. It already sounds way better. That drone's still there, boys. So I think we'll need to get a resonator and we'll plop it like right here, and that should take care of it. I had this issue on my TL. There's a V6. We punched out the cats because the pre-cat delete was like 600 bucks. So we punched out the cats and it was super droney. And what we did was we put a vibrant, super quiet resonator right after the cats, and that thing was like, it almost was too quiet for me. I was upset. But I think if we do that again on this car, it should make it daily drivable. And because my buddy, he likes loud cars, but not super loud cars. So I think that's what we'll do. We'll get a vibrant performance resonator. That guy, there was a beamer that just totally cut someone off.
If you go all the way and then turn right, it comes out by there.
But we gotta do another pull.
That's what I'm saying. If you turn right down there,
I'll follow you then. Let's go.
It goes
I say we send her, boys. Alright. We hit Vtec and we hit the limiter. That was intense. So it all works. Dude, I'm stoked. This is a junkyard clutch and it's still holding. Amazing. Okay, for you boys, the downshift. We did it. Who else does the heel toe? 2 pedals, 1 foot. You go like this, brake and gas. So, remember before I said Vtec wasn't working? Well, now it definitely is, and usually it's an oil pressure issue, but it looked like this one was running so out of the air-fuel ratio that it wouldn't kick on earlier. So Vtec definitely works. That was fun, and yeah. So next up, we gotta get a resonator, and yeah, you know, there's a list, but we'll get there. All right, guys, that was sick. Just a little quick video today. Got that fixed up and drove great. That was fun. So, all right, it's time for some real talk. Check this out. I wanted to talk to you about pushing yourself to the limit and then backing off just a hair so that you can sustain your productivity and you can keep going and you won't tire yourself out. You got to get out of your comfort zone to push yourself. You got to you push yourself to your limit, you're out of your comfort zone, you're barely hanging in there, and then you got to back yourself off. Like if you're working 50 hours a week, back off, do 45, and then see how much, put a little bit more, 46, try it out. And I mean, God asked me to do these videos and just film my daily hobbies and make these videos, and it's pushing me to my limit. It's a lot of work. I had to learn new things. I had to edit, had to learn how to do thumbnails, catchy stuff, all this stuff that I'm not really used to doing. And then God told me to slip some Jesus in there for you guys as well. So I'm doing that. I'm doing what I'm being told to do, and I'm backing off just a little bit so I can sustain it and keep myself going. But like everybody else, dude, I am messing up along the way, and that's okay. As long as we keep doing it, you gotta push yourself, find that sweet spot, and keep going. Like I say, praise the Lord. He'll help you get through it all. So that's what I got to share with you. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Those polls were pretty fun for me. My friend saw it and he was like, dude, you're making me want that car even more. So anyways, it was sick. I'm glad this thing's running better. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Check out my website and have a great day. God bless.